Hi everybody, this is Linda Stevens. I'm up here at the RV, the new luxury RV Tranquility Park, and I'm taking a few pictures so you can all see the progress and how great this project is moving right along. You're looking at the new clubhouse. They're working on it still. It's not complete yet, but they are working on it. I'm going to bring you around to here and let you take another peek at the back of the um, welcome the welcome structure that they have here, and they also have a gatehouse so that you'll be when the visitors come to check in, they will be checking in at the welcome structure here, and then they'll be checking in at the gate. The road kind of goes all the way down as far as you can see on my phone here. It goes all the way down to another structure way in the back. That structure is going to be for the laundry and it'll probably have some vending machines and things in it. And they tell me right behind that they're going to have a dog park. So some of the amenities that they were mentioning that they're going to have up here, they're going to have 3 swimming pools around this clubhouse. They're going to have boat ramps. They're going to have boats that you can rent to go out on the lake and fish, and it's just going to be a wonderful place. There's going to be other amenities. He said that they were too numerous to mention, but they're excited as well. And he didn't know when they were going to finish the project. And again, this is just phase 1. But all of the pads are ready for the vehicles to be parked on. The water is in. All of the other infrastructure is pretty much in. They're doing a lot of landscaping, and they're going to be paving roads and finishing up these buildings. But it looks like it might be done late this summer or even in the fall. So that's what I have from here. Thank you. Have a good night.